In this Novel Pro review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create done-for-you ebook websites that you can monetize in over 170 niches with just a few clicks of a button. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I'm also going to show you how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Novel Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, including resale rights to a bunch of past products. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says first to market one-click app creates automated bestseller quality novel, ebook, comic, and magazine websites in less than 60 seconds. Instantly loads over 50,000 done-for-you best-selling novels, ebooks, comic magazines, and 170 plus niches. So essentially, what this software does is it allows you to create websites that are kind of like ebooks. People can come to them, consume the free content, and the way you get paid is that you can monetize these websites with like AdSense ads. You can put Amazon ads on them. You can put affiliate links on them, however you want to do it. You also get hosting included as well, and they have a subdomain included there as well, so you don't have to actually worry about buying a domain name. You don't have to worry about buying hosting. It's all included with the software. Now, they've got some testimonials here that like these look like placeholders, like not real, so don't purchase it based upon those. It says log in to get your copy, then fill in your details, and then sit back and watch. They show these money coming in. Of course, these are affiliate sales from Warrior Plus. Like, don't purchase this because you think you're going to magically start making money. The money that you make potentially from this will depend upon what you're doing, the kind of traffic that you send to the sites. It's not some magic push button system. That doesn't exist. Now they even have some screenshots here of all this money that they've made, but this is from doing product launches and affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus. So this has nothing to do with this. So don't buy this based upon the screenshots. These are just random screenshots from their other accounts. They go through and tell you all the different done-for-you comics and ebooks and stuff that you can add to the site. They show how much it would cost if you were to get someone to do that for you. I've personally gotten people to create ebooks for me for about $50 to $100, so they can be expensive if you want to get them custom done for you. And with this, you get them included inside of the offer here. So if you decide to purchase, you're going to get all the bonuses. You get access to the cloud-based software, the done-for-you ebooks, all the different niches, the hosting for a very low one-time price. However, one thing I want to show you to do is move your mouse away when you come to the sales page. I'm pretty sure a discount code will pop up. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, but I always want you to get the lowest prices. So please hit that like button if you want me to keep doing that in the future. Okay, what I'm going to do now is show you a quick demo explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you an actual site, the actual backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts. Okay, so we are back. So this is an actual website created with the software. You can see that they've got like the ebooks listed here. We can actually take a look at one of these. I'm going to click on it. Here we go. So it has this little book thing that comes up here. It has all these different social sharing things. And what happens is when the person comes, they can go and read the chapter on the computer, on their device, on their phone, on their iPad. And when they're going through, they read it, and then they can click on next chapter. So they're going to keep on refreshing your pages. That's why you want to have your ads on it. That's where you can make your money, by putting ads on these pages, and potentially they can click on your ads and you can make money from that. So that's what the site looks like. This is the actual software. You can actually see where you can actually create the site. They have all the different training here on how to set everything up included in the backend area. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one here is, it says you can make more money with this. It says you can remove all limits, get unlimited novel sites, unlimited news articles for your novel sites, custom domains, all these extra things here. And what you want to do with this is you want to move your mouse away on this one as well, and it should bring up a discount code. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one, you can get all these hidden features like email marketing, Facebook comment, live chat, adding in banners in different positions all over your site. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Another one here, you can create unlimited accounts for your customers and charge them anything you like for it. Move your mouse away and get a $30 discount. And the last one is reseller rights. You can actually sell this product and the entire sales funnel and keep 100% of the profits. Move your mouse away, get a $100 discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Novel Pro and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, the testimonials, the like income proof screenshots, unnecessary. You guys don't need to do that. If you're going to purchase it, don't purchase it because you think you're going to make a ton of money overnight. That doesn't happen. What do I like about it? If you're looking for a software that's going to create these kind of PDF websites that you can monetize and you have built-in ways of getting social traffic with it, and it has hosting included as well, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Novel Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.